How a triangular prism, for example, can help me to understand more this equation or principle or formula. So if there is a possible outcome of something, for example, there can be a possible end of something. So you cannot throw something. It is possible if you throw something in the universe, it will rotate. It will rotate forever. Just like this. If this is rotating forever, how I can I can rotate and land it on on an object? That is the question in here. So if I throw this in the universe, it will rotate forever because it is a solid. But if you throw something, how it will land on that moving object? That's the combination. The importance of this formula is the combination of both of them: a moving object in the universe or on your experiment, or two colliding objects. Who knows